Ready, start. Briefly stated, case of respondent wife is that appellant and his family migrated from Sri Lanka to India, and appellant joined in Madras Medical College, and respondent was also a student in the same college. Stop. Both of them loved each other. Stop. Respondent was a Hindu and appellant was a Christian. Stop. Respondent got converted to Christianity and the name of the respondent has been changed to Mary Jayanti, and the marriage was solemnized at Velankani Church, Vasant Nagar, Chennai. Stop. After getting over the initial difficulties of love marriage, both appellant and the respondent set up a matrimonial house, and respondent started her practice as doctor in 1986. Stop. Out of the wedlock, first daughter Kriti was born on 29/9/1987, and second daughter Shruti was born on 14/1/1994. Stop. In 1993, appellant began an export business, and in the course of his export business, appellant was detained at Trivandrum for a period of 14 months for allegedly smuggling gold. Stop. Appellant agreed to mend his ways, and respondent and her mother took all possible steps to take him out on bail. Stop. On 21/4/1996, bail was granted and appellant returned to Madras. Stop. Para. Appellant is alleged to have developed friendship with another detainee who had been released earlier than the appellant. Stop. But the appellant was suspicious about the conduct of respondent wife, that she had developed relationship with the said Padam Kumar and ill-treating her on that suspicion. Stop. On 26/5/1996, appellant attempted to strangulate the respondent. Stop. Fearing for her life and safety of the children, respondent left the house to live with her parents. Stop. Appellant again agreed to change his ways, and that on 5/6/1996 an agreement was entered into between the parties, and the respondent returned to the matrimonial house. Stop. After a few months, appellant again physically and verbally abused the respondent, and on 28/1/1997, respondent returned to her parents' house. Stop. Appellant forcibly entered into the respondent's parent house and took away the children and put them in a boarding school in Ooty, even though the younger child was only 3 years old. Stop. Only on the orders of the court dated 16/6/1997, respondent was able to get back the custody of the children. Stop. In the said order, appellant was permitted to visit the children once in a week in the respondent's house. Stop. Para. The above arrangement continued till February 2000, when the younger daughter fell ill and needed to have her tonsils surgically removed. Stop. Appellant began visiting the children more often and began interacting with the respondent, and appellant requested the respondent to give him one more chance to mend his ways. Stop. Keeping in mind the future of the children, respondent rejoined the appellant, and they moved into number 54 First Main Road, Indira Nagar, Chennai 20 in October 2000. Stop. After a short while, appellant reverted to his old ways and began accusing the respondent having affairs, and appellant physically abused the respondent. Stop. In November 2000, again problem arose and respondent returned to her parental house on 3/12/2000. Stop. On 9/12/2000, appellant alleged to have broken into the respondent mother's flat M48B LB Road, Adyar, Chennai, and reoccupied the same, for which a police complaint was also lodged. Stop. According to respondent, in spite of all chances given to the appellant, he continued to abuse the respondent and manhandled her, and therefore respondent was forced to leave the matrimonial house on 3/12/2000. Stop. In February 2001, respondent filed OP number 15 of 2001 under section 10 of Divorce Act, seeking for dissolution of the marriage solemnized between her and the appellant on 11/12/1984.